To troubleshoot Volvo XC40 alarm issues, start by identifying which sensor is triggering the alarm. Check for loose objects inside the car, or ensure the vehicle is parked on a level surface. A quick reset can be attempted by cycling the ignition. Turn off, turn on, then turn off while holding the lock button for 10 seconds. If problems persist, a dealer reset using Volvo's Vita diagnostic software may be necessary to recalibrate the sensor sensitivity. For bonnet switch issues, inspect the switch for corrosion or damage. DIY replacement with an OEM part is possible. Software-based fixes are increasingly common and may be available via OTA updates. If your car is under warranty, Volvo service centers offer free diagnostics. The future outlook includes predictive maintenance, where sensors self-diagnose and alert owners via the Volvo app before issues arise. Integration with advanced driver assistance systems may further reduce false alarms. Volvo issued a global recall in mid-2024 for certain XC40 units to reprogram the alarm module, reducing false positives.